I have a product called Jet CRM, and it is a Silverlight front end, SQL Server on the back end, and I use ComponentOne components to put it together. I've been a fan of ComponentOne for a long time. Way back when I used Infragistics, and Infragistics were like slow and bloated, and I tried ComponentOne, and I've been sold on them ever since. Jet CRM, it's a full-featured CRM. You have a website, and it'll automatically import your leads from that website. When you get a lead, it creates an email and sends it over to the Jet CRM system. And it takes that email and it parses it and pops it in there, so you now have it in your system as a contact. Then you can start your drip email marketing campaign. So as soon as you get that lead, it fires out an email that says, hey, thanks for checking out our website, and here's the tip of the day number 1. So you start firing those out, like once a week or whatever rate that you want it to. It handles the whole pipeline from the lead to your salespeople and the Salesforce automation, and then finally to your customer service at the back end. I don't want to write controls. I just want to write code that displays the user interface and the features. I can do that with ComponentOne. I use the Flex Grid from ComponentOne because it's extremely fast. It's very flexible, it's built for speed, and it's got a lot of facilities in there to make sure your grid is just like instantaneous, because you don't want to download 250 emails and then it's like waiting. You want it 1/3 of a second, all your data is down there. And the other key component is the rich text box. You can actually take HTML and run it through a converter and display it in the rich text box. So I can download a HTML email and boom, you're seeing it right there inside Silverlight. There's no other way to do that on a non-out-of-browser application. ComponentOne has been essential in the developing of this product. I've gone through Silverlight version 3, 4, and now 5, and ComponentOne has been there to take all of these great controls that I can use, not to mention the customer support. So when I have questions, I'll put it on the forums, and the next day they go, oh, well, have you tried this? Do you want your application, you guys out there watching this, you want, an awesome application for your company? I highly recommend using ComponentOne.